People say,
What is there in the song? I say,
There is true peace in music.
to understand this false world today, you have to listen the music.
It's not enough to just listen to music.
Feel the song and compare this to reality.